Josie.
Hi, Kyle.
This is our sailing boat trip. It's been pretty awesome. It's beautiful. There's Diamond Head right there. These are the people that are on the boat with us. That's a little gay couple right there. And there's the crew, one of the guys. Oh, never mind. Hey, Josie. Okay. Josie's a little embarrassed by me. No reason to be. Oh, sweetheart. Look at it. You can see that's Waikiki in the background right there. Big sail right here. Whoa, look at that. Incredible. This is beautiful. There's the Pacific Ocean. Not much to see out there. This is a 2.5-hour trip, not a 3-hour tour like Gilligan's Island, so I think we're okay. With cell phone technology, we should be able to call someone if something happens. And I don't see any tsunamis coming, so I think we're good. Just going off into the distance. That's the direction we're heading right now. Pretty cool.